Welcome back to Drive Time, your ultimate source for everything on two wheels and four. If you're passionate about motorcycles and love staying updated on the latest machines hitting the streets, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a legendary nameplate that's making an unexpected yet thrilling comeback, the 2025 Honda CBR 954. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just dreaming of your first Supersport bike, this one's going to get your heart racing. So sit back, strap on your helmet, metaphorically of course, and let's get into the full breakdown of what makes the new CBR 954 an exciting entry in the modern motorcycle scene. The legacy of the CBR 954. Before we talk about what's new in 2025, let's rewind a bit. The Honda CBR 954RR, originally launched in the early 2000s, was the last iteration of Honda's ultra-lightweight Fireblade before the brand moved to the 1,000 cubic centimeters class. It was revered for its near-perfect balance between power and handling, offering razor-sharp performance in a chassis that was more nimble than its competitors. Fans of the 954 loved its responsive throttle, lightweight feel, and daily usability. For years, it's remained a cult classic, and in many circles, a benchmark for rideability in the liter bike category. So when rumors started swirling that Honda might bring the name back, enthusiasts held their breath. Now, in 2025, the legend has returned, and it's not just a nostalgia play. Honda has taken that 954 DNA and evolved it for a new generation. Engine and performance. The 2025 CBR 954 is a completely redesigned 955 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, staying true to the displacement that earned the original its name. But this is no retro rehash. With modern ride-by-wire technology, variable valve timing, and improved combustion efficiency, this engine is a beast. Delivering an estimated 158 horsepower at 12,000 RPM and around 78 Nm of torque. It's not just about peak power, though. What makes the 2025 model impressive is how usable that power band is. Honda engineers focused on creating a linear throttle response and strong mid-range punch, making it ideal not just for track days, but also for spirited canyon carving and real-world riding. It pulls hard out of corners and rewards riders who keep the revs climbing, just like the original, but with a much sharper edge. Chassis, suspension and handling. Let's talk about the chassis. Honda's known for building bikes that feel like an extension of your body, and the new CBR 954 is no different. It features an all-new twin-spar aluminum frame that's lighter and stiffer than before, with a redesigned subframe for better weight distribution. The overall wet weight sits at just under 430 pounds, putting it among the lightest in its class. Suspension duties are handled by a fully adjustable Showa big piston fork up front and a ProLink rear shock, also adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound. Combined with a revised swing arm and a tighter rake angle, this setup makes for a motorcycle that turns quickly and holds its line with incredible precision. Riders will immediately notice how agile the bike feels, especially compared to larger liter bikes that can sometimes feel cumbersome at lower speeds. The 2025 954 is flickable, responsive, and stable, making it a joy in both urban environments and high-speed corners. Brakes and tires. Stopping power is just as important as going fast, and Honda didn't cut corners here. The 2025 CBR 954 is equipped with dual 320mm front discs clamped by radial-mounted Brembo-style calipers, and a single 220mm disc in the rear. These are connected to a refined cornering ABS system, ensuring maximum braking efficiency even under aggressive conditions or uneven surfaces. The tire setup features Pirelli Diolo Rosso 4s as standard, a great balance between track day grip and road durability. These sticky rubbers ensure the bike stays planted, especially when leaning deep into turns or pushing hard under acceleration. Technology and electronics. No modern Supersport would be complete without advanced electronics, and Honda delivers here with a suite of rider aids. The 2025 CBR 954 comes equipped with a 6-axis IMU enabling traction control, wheelie control, engine brake management, and multiple ride modes. There's even launch control for those chasing lap times at the circuit. The TFT display is a crisp 5-inch full-color unit, featuring Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and customizable layouts. Honda also includes quickshifter and auto-blipper technology as standard, allowing for clutchless up and down shifts that feel buttery smooth. And let's not forget the smart key system, integrated USB-C charging port, and optional heated grips. Subtle creature comforts that make a big difference during everyday use. Design and aesthetics. The new 954 isn't just about numbers, it looks every bit the part. Honda has taken cues from the Fireblade but refined it for a sleeker, more aggressive silhouette. The aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairings are subtle yet functional, providing high-speed stability without compromising aesthetics. LED lighting is used throughout, and the tail section is slim and sharp, giving the bike a compact and purposeful appearance. 3 launch color schemes are available: pearl red with black accents, matte gunmetal gray, and a special Repsol edition that pays homage to Honda's MotoGP legacy. Each one looks absolutely stunning in person, with high-quality paint and minimal graphics for a clean, modern feel. Ride experience and who it's for. So who is the 2025 CBR 954 really for? In short, it's for the rider who wants more than just brute force. This is a machine for those who value balance, precision, and feedback. It's fast, yes, but it's also incredibly communicative, making it a great tool for improving rider skills while still delivering thrills. It's also surprisingly livable. With its relatively upright riding position compared to more extreme track-focused superbikes, and a decent seat height of around 32 inches, it's comfortable enough for longer rides without sacrificing performance. Whether you're commuting during the week or hitting the twisties on the weekend, the 954 offers versatility that's becoming rare in the sport bike world. Price and competition. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 CBR 954 comes in at a base price of around $14,999, making it very competitively priced compared to the Yamaha R1, Kawasaki ZX-10R, and Suzuki GSX R1000. Given the features, performance, and Honda's reputation for reliability, it's hard to argue with the value here. It may not top the horsepower charts, but it delivers where it matters: rideability, finesse, and that uniquely Honda feel that's hard to replicate. Final thoughts: is it worth it? So, is the 2025 Honda CBR 954 worth your attention? Absolutely. In a world increasingly dominated by ultra-high-tech liter bikes and stripped-down naked machines, the new 954 strikes a refreshing middle ground. It honors the legacy of the original while embracing everything that makes modern sport bikes so impressive. For those who want a machine that's thrilling, refined, and surprisingly approachable, the 954 might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for riding along with us today on Drive Time. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the latest motorcycles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Got questions about the 954 or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle twisted. Let me know if you'd like this turned into a narrated audio version or formatted into a YouTube video description and tags.